YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy J Cobb, guys, and in this video I'm gonna share with you guys 4 mistakes that beginner marketer make. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? J Cobb here. So for those that are new to my channel, my name is Jermaine Cobbins, and before we rock and roll, guys, I need you guys to do me a huge favor. Pound that thumbs up button, and also let me know in the comments below what is your biggest takeaway, guys. And hey, if you really get value from this thing, be sure to subscribe and be sure to share this video out. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the content. So in this video I want to talk about 4 deadly mistakes that beginner marketers make. The thing is this: about 4 years ago, guys, I was a beginner marketer. I was so of a beginner marketer that I didn't have any sales experience. I didn't have any marketing background. Hell, I really didn't even like looking people in the eye when I talked to them. The thing is, guys, by being in this industry, by evolving, by, investing in myself, really truly believing that, this is the segue to becoming a better, not only just an entrepreneur, but an all-around better person. Guys, I really honed into some pretty cool skills that really has shaped the rest of my life. I want to talk about my beginner marketers. Now, maybe some of you guys have been around for a little while, and maybe you're doing some of these things and you probably cannot break through in your business. Well, these things are definitely deadly mistakes, guys, and they will always and forever keep you spinning in a rut and basically not being able to do anything in your business. All right, so here's number 1: bombarding your friends and family with your big dreams. Now, you notice I put emphasis on your, okay? Because the idea, guys, is that, I get it. Just like myself, when I first heard of an amazing opportunity where I can make money, get time freedom, financial freedom, be able to travel, do some pretty cool things, who are the first people that we think about? We think about our friends and family. So the idea is that's basically the first set of people that we run to talk about our products, our opportunity, ways to make money. And guys, for me, it was a huge mistake. And it's not saying that it's a mistake to go talk to your friends and family or share your product and opportunity with your friends and family. But the way I went about it, it really didn't do me any justice, right? I remember when I first come into this industry, I remember going to my mom's house and gathering my family up and just like, man, I was just so excited. I was like, guys, look, I found the way out, And I remember this day, man, my family was looking at me like I was crazy, right? I literally had tears in my eye because, I had been in such a rut for so long. I was just looking for a way out. And I seen that marketing basically was the way out. And of course, you want to save your family first, those as closest to you. It was just one of those things. It was a big mistake, guys. I was really embarrassed. So as I look back on it, what happened, guys, I was literally sharing my big dreams or your big dreams with your friends and your family. And the thing is, guys, you got to understand that, when it comes to bombarding people, a lot of times we are so excited. We talk about the car bonuses. We talk about, walking away from your job, all these things. Well, guess what? That really scares people. People really don't, think that is possible. Many people don't, especially, if you're around your friends and family and, money is tight and you really don't have I guess you could say that symbol of success in your family. No one is really doing anything just big. So when you talk this way, it scares the shit out of people, right? And that's what I done, guys. So bombarding people, bombarding your friends and family with your opportunity, things like that, definitely is a deadly sin when it comes to, basically trying to get your marketing off the ground. So, just listen, try to figure out what is it that they want, or which I'll talk about later in this video, about how to, where to shift your focus, okay? Number 2, having commission breath. Now, commission breath is not the breath you have when you make money while you sleep. Commission breath is simply everybody that you talk to, you are spewing, making money, making $10,000 a month, how much money you can make. Money, 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 money. And yes, money is to be made in this industry, okay? But yet, everybody you talk to, they really don't see the vision of making a ton of money. And most people don't want to make a ton of money because the fear of money, right? They think the more money they make, that more people are going to hate them, and maybe the love of money is the root of all evil. So many messed up beliefs around money. So when you start talking a lot of money, especially pretty quick, it really scares people, right? And we call this commission breath. So instead of trying to basically talk to everybody about how much money they can make. Just take your time, guys, and really just figure out, okay, what is it that these people really want? All right, if they can make an extra $200-300, a month, what would that do for them? Right? You'll be amazed, guys, that an extra $200 or $300 into a household makes a big difference for a lot of families. So just keep it small. If they got big dreams, good, but don't go out there saying, hey, I'm gonna help you to make $10,000 a month, I'm gonna help you to quit your job. Just minimize your talk when it comes to making a lot of money, especially in a short period of time. All right. Number 3 is distracted by business building rather than focused on skill building. Now, this one here is by far a game changer. Guys, I'm speaking from a personal experience. I was so focused on building a team. But keep in mind, I've never done any marketing. Now, I don't know about your background. Maybe you come from a sales background. Maybe you come from a marketing team. Maybe you have some contacts and relationships. People see you as a business person. Well, I didn't have any of that. My thing was I was basically building a team off my fire. And what happened for me is, I built a pretty okay team, but I didn't have any skill sets. So I couldn't teach them how to basically do anything, right? I mean, they didn't have any skill sets. There was no duplication. It was just off my fire. And my fire eventually went out, guys, and that's when all hell broke loose. That's when people started canceling their orders. My team started to dwindle down. A whole bunch of things began to happen. Instead of quitting, I just literally sat back and said, okay, what am I doing wrong? I know it's something that I'm doing wrong. And what it was, guys, I was too focused on trying to build a team, and I didn't have any type of skills. I didn't know how to coach anybody. I didn't know how to handle objections. It was a lot of things that I struggled with in the beginning because I simply didn't know. Instead of focused on trying to build a team or a large organization really, really fast, step back and let's look at your skill set, right? If you come from a sales background and, you come from multiple companies and things like that, you know a little bit about team building, great. For the most part, guys, try to create a system, try to create some type of duplication, try to find a way where you can coach your team and get people not only just excited, but hone in on their skills so they can go out and create a team as well, all right? And number 4, simply quitting too soon. I cannot stress this enough where, you have people that are excited about something, and most of the time we're excited about anything new. But what happens is when that excitement wears off, there's no commitment. And commitment is basically the way that you feel about something when that excitement wears off, okay? And the idea is when you don't make money, a lot of times we get into this industry and we want to make money fast. Or somebody told us you can make money in the first month, in the first, you can leave your job in the first, year, whatever the case may be. And you can make money the first day. You can rank advance in the first month. That's not really likable to happen for the majority, right? There are some people that crush it, basically in a couple of days, a week, or a month. And then there are people that may take a few years. But the idea is, regardless of what everybody else around you is doing, you want to run your race. You don't want to put your focus so much on, I need to make money, I need to make money, I need to make money. And then when you don't make any money, then you don't have anything to sustain you. You don't have anything that you're really committed to. So find something bigger, not only than yourself, but bigger than making money. And I promise you, by doing that, you understand the longevity. You're building wealth. You can make money, overnight, but it's that long-term wealth that you're going after, especially for those that are don't have any type of background. Maybe you was a little shy, a little timid. So these things you got to basically learn. You got to get that tough skin. You got to get some rejection. You got to get some embarrassing moments, right? So these are the things, guys, and these are 4 deadly things that will literally kill your business, all right? So if you are a marketer, guys, and you struggle with any of these things, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And also, I have a free resource for those that may be marketing their business on social media. I put together a free resource. It's called the 7 Social Media No-Nos. You guys can grab that in the description below. And what it does, it basically shows you 7 things that you should not be doing on social media, right? And I don't know how your social media looks, but getting this resource, going through these 7 things, by not doing these 7 things, you're already setting yourself apart from the masses, okay? So go ahead and grab that, guys. If you guys got value, let me know in the comments below what was your biggest takeaway. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.